Binance Smart Chain. What is Binance Smart Chain? In simple terms, Binance Smart Chain (BSC) is a blockchain that runs in parallel with Binance Chain. Binance Smart Chain brings EVM-compatible programmability and native cross-chain communication with Binance Chain, using an innovative consensus of proof-of-stake authority (POSA). In other words, BSC will work in parallel with Binance Chain to enable the creation of smart contracts for tokens on Binance blockchain and to introduce an innovating new staking mechanism for BNB. What is the proof-of-stake authority (POSA)? POSA is a combination of the proof of authority (POA) and the proof of stake (POS). This consensus mechanism enables validators, token holders, developers, and users to benefit from a rewarding blockchain that offers high performance and space for further innovations. BNB is used for delegating staking on the authority validator, leading to staking rewards for users and validators. This dual-chain architecture will empower its users to build their decentralized apps, DApps, which retain the high-performance matching of Binance DEX and crypto assets on one blockchain, and take advantage of the fast trading to exchange on the other. Let's take a look at the highlights of BSC. BNB holders benefit. Binance Smart Chain with the POSA consensus mechanism adds a staking functionality for BNB, the native token of the Binance ecosystem. BNB holders participating in staking will receive BNB rewards from BSC's validators and benefit from the same interests of DeFi staking returns on the CeFi platform. In the future, BSC users can benefit from CeFi services on Binance Exchange, such as spot, margin, and futures trading, savings, DeFi staking, DeFi pooling, etc., and DeFi products on Binance Smart Chain, such as lending, AMM, liquidity mining, yield farming, and more. Projects and BSC. If you want to participate in the project, please follow the announcement of the Binance Smart Chain community. All project teams will disclose the information under the community. Please visit community.binance.org for more details. Before participating in the project, it is necessary to make yourself understand the relationship between the project and the Binance Smart Chain. For example, if the public chain is regarded as a road, the project party is a car running on the road. Like Ethereum network, Binance Smart Chain is a road and cannot manage passing cars. That is, Binance Smart Chain cannot control the entry of corresponding projects. Before you participate in any Smart Chain project, please pay attention to the corresponding risks. BSC is a decentralized public chain that provides a block network, but it cannot manage the decentralized projects issued on the chain, and different projects have different participation rules. Please be sure to understand the project rules and evaluate the project risk. Choose whether to join the corresponding project. How to transfer asset from Binance to your wallet. Users can choose mainstream wallets compatible with Binance Smart Chain and transfer your cryptocurrency to your Smart Chain wallet address by creating a wallet address. In the future, Binance Smart Chain will present the project token canal to support more cryptocurrencies. Let's take Trust Wallets as an example to find out how to transfer BNB from your Binance account to your Smart Chain wallet. Step 1. Create your wallet. Step 2. Use 12 randomly generated mnemonic words to input and back up your wallet. Step 3. Click Receive. Select Smart Chain and find your BEP20 address. Copy your address to the withdrawal area of your Binance account. Step 4. Open the Binance app under the Withdraw button of your account. Please select the BEP20 mainnet to confirm the withdrawal. You can receive the corresponding BNB in your Trust wallet. Start to explore the Binance Smart Chain.